At Chevron, we are relentless problem solvers. Our challenge is to ensure the world has energy that is more affordable, reliable, and ever cleaner.
I enjoy being creative and hands-on with my crew to see what we can change and what we can implement to make our operations better. I ask about 150 million questions a day. The more you ask, the more you learn, and the more you learn, the more that you're able to innovate.
Chevron's greatest asset, our human energy, is up to the challenge.
We've been testing technologies that will take pictures and measurements without having somebody going in these confined spaces.
The most important lesson I learned here at Chevron, I would say, is being more open-minded. You'll be surprised at how much you could learn from people with a different background. Certainly, solving large and complex problems require teamwork.
Finding the answers to the world's most complex energy challenges won't be easy, but you can count on us to be there.